this month.
Here we go.
Plus $150 in groceries yesterday.
Here it is. What? Huh? Shh. Oh! It's deep. It doesn't look deep, but it is. And it's pretty cold too. It's pretty cold. Oh snap! Oh, oh! I lost my chocolate. I lost it! I lost it! Okay, I got it back. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, it got wet. It got wet. It got wet! Alright, here it goes. I'm going. This is my front yard, ladies and gentlemen. This is ridiculous. That doesn't look that's a lake. That's a lake right there. We are going to the street now. Street. This is pretty ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It looks a lot deeper in person. It's flooded. The whole freaking street is flooded. The whole freaking street. And that's pretty deep too. Look at that. Look, that's all. That doesn't look as deep on the iPhone, but it's there. It's definitely there. Okay. Look at the picnic table. It's already almost covered up. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, it's never been this flooded before. Never. Never, ever been this flooded. This is borderline ridiculous. Look up. My foot, can't see it anymore. And this is just on the driveway. Over there, it's a lot deeper. I'm going back in, and I'm freezing my butt off. My left butt cheek just fell off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dang it. My chanclita fell off.